Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you have Nvidia GeForce RTX 3090 Ti graphic card and if you want to perform a clean installation of your graphics card driver, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Nvidia website. Now over here, select GeForce and then for product series, select GeForce RTX 30 series. And then over here, select GeForce RTX 3090 Ti, and then if you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11, and then it will be game ready driver over here, and then click on search. Now over here right now the latest graphic card driver is 546.17. This is the latest graphic card driver available right now. In future the version will change, and whichever is the latest over here, it will be showing over here. Now click on download. Now again click on download. Now once the download is complete, over here you will see the download progress. So once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. So once complete, click on it and then run the exe file, and then you will see this screen. First of all, click on OK and then click on yes to allow, and then you will see the screen. It will take some time to come up to the screen, and then click on agree and continue. And over here select custom. By default it will be express, so you have to select custom and then click on next, and then you have to put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Make sure that you put a check on perform a clean installation, and then click on next, and it will start installing it. First of all, it will uninstall the previous version, and then it will do a clean installation of the latest graphic card driver. So this is how you can perform a clean installation of your graphic card driver. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.